8 months ago, I knew absolutely nothing about AI agents. I couldn't code, I had never built anything technical, and honestly, the whole AI space felt out of reach. Fast forward to today, not only I've learned how to build AI agents from scratch, but I was able to grow my business to 46,000 euros per month thanks to these skills. And the crazy part? It's way simpler than you think. We're going to cover three main things. First, I'll break down what AI agents actually are and how they work, no technical background required. I'm going to explain this in a way that finally made it click for me. Second, we'll build two powerful AI agents together, step by step. I'm taking you over my shoulder as we create real, working agents that businesses actually pay for. And third, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn these skills into money. Not theory, actual strategies that are working right now in 2026. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why this matters. According to McKinsey, AI could automate up to 50% of current work by 2030. The World Economic Forum reports that 41% of companies plan to reduce their workforce because of AI. But here's the opportunity hiding in that data. 66% of employers plan to hire people with AI skills. 2/3. The job market is literally screaming for people who understand this technology. So whether you are looking to start an AI business, make yourself irreplaceable at your current job, or just understand what everyone's talking about, this video is for you. Grab a notebook, get a drink, and let's dive in. Okay, let's start with the basics. When I first heard the term AI agent, I had no clue what it meant. Everyone throws it around, but nobody explains it simply. Here's the clearest definition I've found. An AI agent is a digital worker that can understand instructions and take actions to complete tasks. Think about it like this. Businesses have employees who handle different jobs, right? An AI agent is like having a digital employee, except it costs way less, works 24/7, and never calls in sick. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just a chatbot? Great question. And the answer is no, and this is crucial to understand. Most chatbots you've seen on websites are pretty useless. They're like a waiter who can only recite the menu but can't actually take your order or bring you food. They just spit back pre-written answers. AI agents are completely different. Here's an example. If you ask a regular chatbot about booking an appointment, it might say, "Our business hours are 9 to 5, please call to book." That's it. But an AI agent, it can actually check the calendar, find available slots, book the appointment for you, send you a confirmation email, and update the company's CRM system, all in seconds. This ability to take action is what makes agents so powerful. So how do these things actually work? Every AI agent needs 5 key parts. Number 1, the brain. This is what we call an LLM, or large language model. You've probably heard of GPT, Claude, or Gemini. This is what allows the agent to understand your instructions in plain English and figure out what to do. Number 2, the prompt or instructions. This is how you program the agent's behavior without code. You literally just write clear instructions telling it who it is and what it should do. This is what makes building agents accessible to non-coders. Number 3, memory. The agent needs to remember what you talked about. Otherwise, it's like talking to someone with amnesia every 30 seconds. Most platforms handle this automatically, so you don't need to worry about it much. Number 4, knowledge. This is optional. This is like training a new employee with your company's specific information. You can give the agent PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, any text-based info it needs to answer questions about your business. Number 5, tools. This is the most important part. Tools are what transform an agent from just chatting to actually getting things done. They let your agent search databases, update spreadsheets, send emails, book appointments, and much more. Now here's a simpler way to think about building agents. I call it the 3 ingredients framework. When you're planning an AI agent, you really only need to think about 3 things. Number 1, knowledge. What information does it need? Number 2, tools. What actions should it take? Number 3, prompting. How should it behave? The AI model, the brain, can be easily swapped, and memory is usually handled automatically. So your focus as a builder is really on these 3 ingredients. Mix them in different ways. and you can create millions of different types of agents for different use cases. Alright, this next part is where it gets a bit technical, but stay with me because understanding this is like having a superpower. Tools work through something called APIs. Every time you use the internet, you're making dozens of API requests without realizing it. Here's what actually happens when you click a YouTube video. Step 1. Your browser sends a request to YouTube's servers saying, hey, I want to watch this video. Step 2. YouTube's servers send back all the data needed. Step 3. Your browser unpacks that data and plays the video. This request-response pattern happens with almost everything you do online. When you open Instagram, you're requesting your feed. When you send a tweet, you're sending data through Twitter's API. There are two main types of requests. Get requests, which means asking for information, like checking the weather, and post requests, which means sending information, like posting a tweet. Here's where it gets interesting. AI agents use these same APIs as their buttons to do things. Each tool an agent has is essentially an API it can call, and modern AI can read instructions on how to use these APIs and figure out when to use them. This is huge. It means instead of manually clicking through websites and apps, an AI agent can do it all automatically using tools, thousands of times faster than any human. Let me show you some actual use cases that businesses are implementing right now. Customer support agents. These can answer common questions 24/7, actually look up account information, process refunds, and escalate complex issues to humans when needed. Lead generation agents. These engage with potential customers on websites or WhatsApp, answer questions, provide instant quotes, and capture contact information all automatically. Sales co-pilots. These help sales reps by researching prospects, pulling company information, and even suggesting strategies before calls. Research agents. These can automatically research new leads that come in, qualify them based on criteria, and notify the right team members. The possibilities are honestly endless once you understand the basics. Alright, enough theory. Let's actually build something. I'm going to show you how to build a sales co-pilot that helps sales reps prepare for calls. This is a real use case that businesses pay thousands for. Our agent will have 3 tools. Number 1, company researcher, which scrapes websites and summarizes company info. Number 2, prospect researcher, which pulls LinkedIn data and creates prospect summaries. And number 3, pre-call report generator, which combines everything into a strategy brief. First, head to relevance.ai and create a free account. I'll put links to everything in the description. Once you're logged in, go to Tools and click Create New Tool. Name it Research Company and add a description. Takes in a company URL, scrapes the website, and returns an AI-generated summary. Now we need an input. Click Add Input and select Text. Name it company_URL with the description URL for a company to be researched. Must be in format https://:/. Here's where it gets cool. We're going to use a tool called Firecrawl that can scrape entire websites, not just single pages. Click Add Step and search for Firecrawl. Select the web scraping option. Insert your company_URL variable where it asks for the URL. Uncheck Scrape Single Page so it crawls multiple pages. Set it to scrape about 5 pages to keep it quick. Now we need to turn that scraped data into something useful. Add another step, this time an LLM step. I'll use GPT-4 Mini for speed and cost. Here's the prompt. Please take this website content and summarize it into a 300-word natural language summary, which clearly outlines what they do, where they're based, their values, etc. Anything helpful for a sales rep who will soon be on a call with them. Break it into key areas like overview, products and services, team, etc. Insert the Firecrawl output as the website content variable. Test it with any company website and boom, you've got your first tool that actually does something useful. Now let's build the second tool. Create a new tool called Research Prospect. Add an input for LinkedIn_URL and add a LinkedIn scraping step. Relevance actually has this built in, which is awesome. Then add an LLM step to summarize the prospect information into a clean format. The pattern here is gather data, then use AI to make it useful. For the third tool, we're combining the outputs of the first two tools to generate a strategic pre-call report. This takes the company summary and prospect summary as inputs, then uses a more detailed prompt to create a customized strategy document. The prompt should include context about your business. In this case, our fictional Big Boy Recruits company that specializes in software industry recruitment. Now that we have our three tools, let's put them together in an agent. Go to Agents, click Create New Agent and name it Sales Copilot. In the core instructions, you need to tell the agent who it is, what its job is, what tools it has available, and when to use each tool. Here's a template prompt structure. You are a sales copilot for company name. Your job is to help sales reps prepare for calls by researching prospects and their companies. You have three tools available. Number 1, research company, use when needing company information. Number 2, research prospect, use when needing information about a specific person. Number 3, pre-call report generator, use after gathering both company and prospect info. When a sales rep provides you with information about an upcoming call, use your tools to prepare a comprehensive brief. Connect your three tools and you're done. Test it by saying, I have a call coming up with name from company, and watch it work its magic. The beautiful part? See, you can now share this agent with anyone via a simple URL or integrate it into business tools. For our second build, I want to show you something completely different, putting an agent on WhatsApp. We're going to use a platform called Agenty for this because it makes WhatsApp deployment super simple. But the concepts apply to any platform. Head to agentive.com and create a free account. Click Create Agent and name it Connor's Cleaning WhatsApp Agent. Description answers questions from knowledge base, provides real-time cleaning quotes, and captures leads to Airtable. Select GPT-4o Mini for the model. We want fast responses on WhatsApp. Turn on the knowledge base and upload a document with FAQ information about your business. I've prepared a sample Connor's Cleaning FAQ document you can use. The agent will automatically be able to answer questions from this document. Now here's where it gets powerful. We're going to connect two tools. Number 1, instant quote generator from Relevance AI. Go back to Relevance and create a simple tool that takes property type and square footage, then calculates a cleaning quote. In Relevance, go to API for your tool and copy the schema they generate. Back in Agentive, go to Tools, click Add Tool, pass the schema, and add your Relevance API key for authentication. Tool number 2, Airtable Lead Capture. Create a free Airtable base with columns for name, email, phone, property type, property size, and quoted prices. Build another Relevance tool that takes this information and sends it to Airtable via API, or you can clone mine from the resources. Add this tool to your agent the same way. Now write a prompt that explains who the agent is, what it should do, how to use the knowledge base, and when to use each tool. Here's a template. You are Connor's Cleaning WhatsApp support assistant. Help potential customers by number 1, answering questions about our services using your knowledge base. Number 2, providing instant quotes. When customers ask about pricing, use the quote generator tool with property type and square footage. Number 3, capturing lead information after providing a quote. Use the lead capture tool with their name, email, and phone. Be friendly, helpful, and concise. You're chatting over WhatsApp, so keep messages short. Click Deploy and select WhatsApp. Follow the setup wizard to connect the phone number. You'll need a separate number from your personal WhatsApp. Once connected, you can message the number and interact with your agent. It'll answer questions, generate quotes, and save leads automatically. Test it by asking where they're located, requesting a quote, and providing your details. Check your Airtable. Your lead should appear there automatically. Okay, so you can build AI agents. Cool. But how do you actually make money from this? First, let me destroy a huge misconception. You do not need to build the next ChatGPT or create some revolutionary AI startup. The real opportunity is much simpler, helping businesses understand and implement AI. Don't just take my word for it. Here's Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. If I was 25 years old today, I'd focus on AI, anything to do with AI. But what could that be in simplest form? Helping people use the technology. There's going to be a massive amount of people wanting to use it that don't know how to, and they are willing to pay to solve that pain point. Mark Cuban says the exact same thing, that the biggest opportunity right now is helping small to medium-sized businesses who desperately need AI but don't understand it. And the data backs this up. There are 1.7 million businesses in the US alone making between $500,000 and $10 million per year. These small businesses know they need AI to stay competitive, but they have no idea where to start. Right now, for every person offering AI services, there are over 1,100 businesses that need help. That's a 1 to 1,100 ratio. This is a completely untapped market. There are three main ways to monetize your AI agent skills. Number one, education. Teaching businesses about AI through workshops, presentations, training programs, and courses. After watching this video, you know more than enough to educate businesses on AI basics. Number two, consulting. Analyzing a business's operations and showing them where AI can help them save time or make money. You're essentially their AI strategist. Number three, implementation. Actually building and deploying AI solutions for businesses. This requires more technical skill but commands higher prices. The best part? You can start with one and work your way up to offering all three. Here's the key concept. Your ability to make money is directly proportional to your knowledge gap. The more you know about AI compared to the businesses you're helping, the more they'll pay you. Right now, after watching this video and building those agents, you have a small knowledge gap, but that's enough to start with education and consulting services. So what should you do next? Make a decision. Are you a builder who loves the technical side, or are you more interested in teaching and working with people? If you love building, keep going deeper technically. Within 2 to 3 months, you'll have enough skills to sell implementation services. If building isn't your thing, that's totally fine. Focus on education and consulting instead. You can start making money with just foundational knowledge. There are 2 proven methods for getting your first clients. Method 1. Warm outreach. Reach out to people you already know, friends, family, acquaintances, friends of friends. These warm connections already have some trust with you, making it much easier to get your first few clients. Method 2, the community content flywheel. Join free Facebook groups, start creating content about what you're learning, and share it back to the community. This is exactly how people have gone from zero to running, growing AI agencies. They learned from free content, started making their own tutorials, shared them in the community, and now have more clients than they can handle. Both methods start with giving value first, whether that's helping warm connections understand AI or sharing knowledge through content. You need to give before you get. Look, I know this probably feels overwhelming. 8 months ago, I was exactly where you are now. But here's the truth. Small steps add up incredibly fast in the AI space. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the people you're helping. The opportunity is massive. The market is starving for help, and the timing is perfect. The only question is, will you take action? Everything you need is in my free community. The courses, the resources, the support, the connections. It's all there waiting for you. So, drop a like on this video if you found it valuable. Leave a comment letting me know what clicked for you, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming video. I'll see you in the next one.